Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. First question, which country hosted the 19th G20 summit in 2024? A. Brazil, B. India, C. Indonesia, D. USA. The correct answer is option A. Brazil. Next question, when was the G20 summit 2024 held? A. October 22 to 24. B. August 15th to 17th. C. September 24th to 26th. D. November 18th to 19th. The correct answer is option D. November 18th to 19th. Next question. Which edition of the G20 summit held in Brazil in 2024? A. 12th, B. 14th, C. 16th, D. 19th. The correct answer is option D. 19th. Next question. Who is the G20 Summit 2024 chairman? A. Narendra Modi, B. Joe Biden, C. Emmanuel Macron, D. Luis Inacio Lula da Silva. The correct answer is option D. Luis Inacio Lula da Silva. Next question. When was G20 established? A. 1995, B. 1999, C. 1985, D. 2000. The correct answer is option B. 1999. Next question. Which of the following is not a member of the G20? A. USA, B. Singapore, C. Russia, D. Turkey. The correct answer is option B. Singapore. Next question. Which year was the G20 summit held? A. 1997, B. 2001, C. 2003, D. 2008. The correct answer is option D. 2008. Next question. Who presided over the first meeting of the G20 summit? A. Harry Clinton, B. George W. Bush, C. Narendra Modi, D. Emmanuel Macron. The correct answer is option B. George W. Bush. Next question. Where was the first summit of G20 held? A. USA, B. Britain, C. Canada, D. France. The correct answer is option A. USA. Next question. What is the meaning of G20? A. Grand 20 nations, B. Great 20 countries, C. Group of 20, D. None of the above. The correct answer is option C. Group of 20. Next question. Where is the headquarters of G20? A. India, B. USA, C. Russia, D. No permanent headquarters. The correct answer is option D. No permanent headquarters. Next question. Which country hosted the 18th G20 summit in 2023? A. Brazil, B. India, C. Indonesia, D. USA. The correct answer is option B. India. Next question. What was the theme of the 18th G20 summit 2023 India? A. Human-centered future society, B. Making the world together, C. Recover together, recover stronger, D. One earth, one family, one future. The correct answer is option D. One earth, one family, one future. Next question. Who was the Indian Sherpa in the G20 summit of 2023? A. Narendra Modi, B. Rajiv Arora, C. Amitabh Kant, D. Amit Shah. The correct answer is option C. Amitabh Kant. Next question. Who was the chairman of G20 Summit 2023? A. Narendra Modi, B. Joe Biden, C. Emmanuel Macron, D. Giorgia Meloni. The correct answer is option A. Narendra Modi. Next question. How many countries are there in G20? A. 19, B. 20, C. 21, D. 22. The correct answer is option A. 19 countries. Next question. When did India become a member of G20? A. 1979. B. 1989. C. 1999. D. 2009. The correct answer is option C. 1999. Next question. Which country will host the 20th G20 summit in 2025? A. Brazil. B. India. C. South Africa. D. USA. The correct answer is option C. South Africa. Next question. Which country hosted the 17th G20 summit in 2022? A. Brazil. B. India. C. Indonesia. D. USA. The correct answer is option C. Indonesia. Last question. Where was the first summit of G20 held? A. USA. B. Britain. C. Canada. D. France. The correct answer is option A. USA. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.